Vedantic philosophers discover that every being runs hither thither for a little bit of happiness and gets trapped in the beautiful web of the Mahamaya. Tonight, a group of devotees inspired by the TV serial Upanishad Ganga will present a skit called Alek Maya that weaves together a tapestry of Vedanta fundas and funny stories from the Upanishads that tries to expose the dushtumi that this naughty girl Maya does. As Rishi Aurobindo said, Amader Bhagavan Hashen, our God laugh, our gods laugh. We hope the next 20 minutes of our lives will add some more laughter in our lives. Thank you.
The story. Once upon a time in India, like that's how the story starts, right? A long time ago. So in our story, long time ago, there was a businessman, one young businessman. So one day, the Yamdut came to take him. He was so surprised. He said, "You are probably looking for that elderly businessman who is at daggers drawn with me. That's the guy you probably are looking for. He already made it, he already made it in his life. He has made enough money, did everything he needs to do. You probably don't know his address, I'll give you that. Don't worry." So Yamdut was a little taken aback, but given a Yamdut, he has faced many such situations, and he said, "Don't worry, I have your name at the top of my list, and that's the guy I came for. So I'll take you, don't worry." The guy knew he's in a big suit. What he did is, we probably have several businessmen here, but businessmen are shrewd. So he devised one quick plan. He said, he somehow convinced the Yamdut to come in and have a drink with him. So once the Yamdut came in, he and his wife, they made a drink for him and emptied a sachet of sleeping pills into it. So the Yamdut had that, he passed into slumber. So after a couple of hours, by the time he woke up, the businessman erased his name from the top of the list and put it at the end. The Yamdut woke up. After a good sleep, he was very relaxed and pretty happy. He said, "I want to give you a boon." The guy was pretty surprised. He said, "What boon, Maharaj?" I said, "Yeah, I'm happy with your seva, and I want to give you some more time to enjoy this planet Earth. I'll start from the bottom of the list." So that happens, and the guy understood what he did. So he and his wife, they jumped at his feet, did some more seva, cooked some good food, so kind of pacified the Yamdut. So finally, the Yamdut said, I could have punished you guys, but I know it's not you. It's the naughty girl Maya who made you do that. Every time she tries to come between me and my prey. So this time I can't save you. You guys are gone for this life. But next life you guys will be on my side. And let's fight Maya in next life. You will be the Sutradhar. Sutradhar is an anchor. He plays the stories. And your wife, she will be the Nati. The Nati is the one who assists him. So as Sutradhar and Nati, you guys will have to expose this girl Maya. So our story starts after this businessman and his wife reincarnates as Sutradhar and Nati.
Sangatve nisangatva nisangatve nirmohatve nishchala tattva जीवन मुक्ति।
Nati, do you remember the parting words of the Yamraj?
He said satsang, sadhusang, is the first step.
And isn't that what the wandering minstrel was singing about?
Yeah. Reminded me of that song.
যদি তড়িতে বাসনা থাকে ধরে মন সাধুর সঙ্গ
যদি তড়িতে বাসনা থাকে ধরে সাধুর সঙ্গ
ভজরে
আনন্দের গৌরাঙ্গ
ধরে মন
সাধুর সঙ্গ
ভজরে
আনন্দের গৌরাঙ্গ
সাধুর গুণ যায় না বলা শুদ্ধ চিত্ত অন্তর খোলা সাধুর গুণ যায় না বলা শুদ্ধ চিত্ত অন্তর খোলা সাধুর দর্শনে যায় মনের ময়লা সাধুর দর্শনে যায় মনের ময়লা পরশে হয় প্রেম তরঙ্গ ভজরে আনন্দের গৌরাঙ্গ ধরে মন সাধুর সঙ্গ
ভজরে আনন্দের গৌরাঙ্গ
এটা বন্ধ করে দাও, তা নাহলে এটা ইয়ে করতে পারে। পেছন দিকে পেছন দিকে ফিডব্যাক আরম্ভ হয়ে যাবে।
Sutradhar, I can't see.
That's how Maya stands between us and the truth.
Truth? What truth? Okay, I beg you. Please move. I want to see them.
Now you understand. That's how you should pray to Mahamaya, and she may step aside and let you see through the truth of the world.
Truth. This samsara is such a pain. I want to leave everything behind and go somewhere peaceful.
So you two think samsara is the source of all your problems? Let's go to ancient India. In Mithila, the Kulguru helped King Janaka overcome similar delusions.
ও মাই গুডনেস, এখন কি হয়েছে? এটাকে অন করতে হবে।
Hari Om, Gurudev.
Hari Om. How is everything going?
Gurudev, I am tired of running this kingdom. There is not a moment of peace in my life.
O king, it's high time that you leave the kingship and come with me. I'll train you on Brahma Vidya. Only then you will be able to perform your duty with detachment and joy. Your ego's actions will set you on the path of liberation.
Gurudev, you have no idea how much I want to come with you and come with you on a sabbatical and study Brahma Vidya under you. But this kingdom and its people, they just won't let me go.
We'll see.
Next day morning, they're walking in the woods.
Gurudev, what a beautiful morning today. The nature is ushering its beauty all around us. And it's so divine to be able to enjoy your wise company on such a glorious morning.
save me.
Gurudev, what bachpana is this? Please get off the tree.
Oh, king, save me. The tree is not letting me go.
Ha ha, very funny. Now please come over here.
Why? What's so funny? If the inert objects of the world can hold you so tight that you can't free yourself from them, then can the living tree not get hold of me?
This old dude is pretty smart. He kind of got me there. Okay, Gurudev, I got your point. I'll try to come. I'll wrap everything up here and come to you very soon and study Brahma Vidya.
Tathastu, follow me.
That was a solid message. Sutradhar, not only me, but anyone who has heard the story even once would never forget. They'll not let the inert objects of the world catch hold of them.
Nati, let's play a game. Quick fire round. I get to ask you the questions.
You always take advantage. You call it a game?
Anyways, tell me, who are you?
I'm Nati.
Who is Nati?
Nati is an actress. Nati is a mother.
Sure.
Yeah.
Who is a mother?
Mother is a homemaker.
So are you Nati, an actress, mother, homemaker, or just another confused girl? Okay, see how Maya creates illusion, limits our identity to names and forms.
That means we are unlimited. I wonder in what way.
In every way. But some people not only try to limit their own existence, but that of the God too. Let's see what happened to Guru Nanak Ji when he was once traveling to Makkah.
Wandering bowls of Bengal? What are they doing in Mecca?
Nati, don't forget, Bauls are Sufis and they are above religion.
এমন মানব জনম আর কি হবে?
এমন মানব জনম আর কি হবে? মন যা করো তরাই করো এই ভাবে। এমন মানব জনম আর কি হবে? মন যা করো তরাই করো এই ভাবে। অনন্ত রূপ সৃষ্টি করলেন সাই, শুনি মানবের উত্তম কিছু নাই। যত দেব দেবতাগণ করে আরাধন জনম নিতে মানবে। মন যা করো তরাই করো এই ভাবে। এমন মানব জনম আর কি হবে? মন যা করো তরাই করো এই ভাবে। কত ভাগে ফলে না জানি মন, পেয়েছো এই মানব তোরে খান। কত ভাগে ফলে না জানি মন, পেয়েছো এই মানব তোরে খান। এবার পেয়ে যাও তারাই তোরে সুধারাই যেন ভরা না ডোবে। মন যা করো তরাই করো এই ভাবে। এমন মানব জনম আর কি হবে? মন যা করো তরাই করো এই ভাবে। এই মানুষে হবে মাধুর্য ভজন, তাইতে মানবরূপী ঘটলেন নিরঞ্জন। এই মানুষে হবে মাধুর্য ভজন, তাইতে মানবরূপী ঘটলেন নিরঞ্জন। এবার ঠকলে আর না দেখি কিনা অধীর লালন তাই ভাবে।
moved by the devotion of the people of Makkah. It has been an enlightening experience. It's been a long day, but well spent. Need to take some rest.
Ya Allah! Why are you keeping your feet towards the Kaaba Sharif?
Sorry, brother. I'll take my position.
You better do. But that night, gods have some mischief in mind. Arey, you are still keeping your feet towards the Makkah? I mean the Kaaba Sharif?
Sorry, brother, but I changed my position.
Yeah, I can see.
Anyway, I'll change my position.
Please.
ফোনটা দাও না
That night was special. Guru Nanak Ji kept on changing his position, and Kaaba Sharif was also moving towards his feet. But it was beyond the Muslim cleric to understand what was actually going on there.
Allah, he's still keeping his feet towards the Kaaba Sharif. Hey, क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे?
Arey, mere bhai, can someone please tell me, show me the direction in which Bhagwan is not present?
No, he could not. Nobody can.
God is present everywhere, and at times we choose not to see Him. But I'm going.
Where are you going, Nati?
I'm going home.
But why?
All this Maya Vaya is for the old sannyasis. A young girl like me has better things to do.
Aha, इस माया के जाल से कोई नहीं बच सकता. Nati, once Vedavyas sent his son Sukdeva to learn Brahma Vidya from King Janaka. Sukha was a young brahmachari and brightest of the lot. He resisted, he squinted, he sniggered at the thought of going to a worldly King Janaka to get Atmagyan. I think I should take you to Mithila again.
Aren't those the bowels? What are they saying? Something about the perishable, worldly things, it seems.
রবে না এ ধন জীবন যৌবন তবে কেন মন এত বাসনা রবে না এ ধন একবার ছবুরের দেশে বয় দেখি দম কষে ছবুরের দেশে বয় দেখি দম কষে উঠিস না রে ভেসে পেয়ে যন্ত্রণা রবে না এ ধন জীবন যৌবন তবে কেন মন এত বাসনা রবে না এ ধন যে করে কালার চরণের আশা জানো না রে মন তার কি দুর্দশা যে করে কালার চরণের আশা জানো না রে মন তার কি দুর্দশা ভক্ত বলি রাজা ছিল তার সর্বস্ব ধন নিল বলি রাজা ছিল তার সর্বস্ব ধন নিল বামন রূপে বিধির করে ছলনা রবে না এ ধন জীবন যৌবন তবে কেন মন এত বাসনা রবে না এ ধন প্রহ্লাদ প্রহ্লাদ চরিত্র দেখো দৈত্য ধামে কত কষ্ট পেল সেই হরি নামে তারে জলেতে ডুবালো আগুনে পুড়ালো জলেতে ডুবালো আগুনে পুড়ালো তবু না ছাড়িল সে শ্রীনাম সাধনা রবে নাই এ ধন জীবন যৌবন তবে কেন মন এত বাসনা রবে নাই এ ধন আমের ভক্ত লক্ষণ ছিল সর্বকালে শক্তিশাল হানিল তার বক্ষস্থলে তবু রামচন্দ্রের প্রতি লক্ষণ না ছাড়িল ভক্তি রামচন্দ্রের প্রতি লক্ষণ না ছাড়িল ভক্তি রঙ্গমলে কররে এ বিবেচনা রবে নাই এ ধন জীবন যৌবন তবে কেন মন এত বাসনা রবে নাই এ ধন
Sutradhar, take me to Mithila now. Can't wait to see the Videhi king Janaka and what happens when Sukha is allowed to meet the king.
Batu, I heard you have been waiting for 6 months to meet me.
Yes, Maharaj.
Very good. When you came to learn Brahma Vidya from me, what did you bring with you?
Maharaj, I brought just 2 langotis. One I'm wearing and the other I washed. One I'm wearing and the other I washed.
Very good. Great student. Great student.
Fire, fire, fire!
What happened?
Maharaj, Maharaj, there is fire in the palace.
Let everybody do their duty. Batu, where are you going? I think you got to get some.
Maharaj, I recovered.
What did you recover, Batu?
My other langoti.
Oh, you went to the burning palace to recover your other langoti.
Yeah, everybody is running to get their things. You should have to run.
I do run, Batu.
But you have been sitting here all the while.
Yes, when you ran to the burning palace to recover your loincloth, I ran, but I ran inwards.
The Maya of the worldly possessions could not drown the Videhi king Janaka because he was totally free from Dehatma Buddhi.
একই অচিন মানুষ ফিরছে দেশে তারে চিনতে হয় একই অচিন মানুষ ফিরছে দেশে তারে চিনতে হয় তারে চিনিতে হয় জানিতে হয় তারে চিনিতে হয় মানিতে হয় একই অচিন মানুষ ফিরছে দেশে তারে চিনতে হয়
একই অচিন মানুষ ফিরছে দেশে তারে চিনিতে হয়
তারে চিনিতে হয় জানিতে হয় তারে চিনিতে হয় মানিতে হয় একই অচিন মানুষ ফিরছে দেশে তারে চিনতে হয়
Daivi Yesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mame Vaye Prapadyante Maya Vedam Tarantite Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 7, Shloka 14 tells us it is very difficult to cross the divine Gurnamayi Maya, but those who surrender to God can certainly overcome Maya. Now let us all invoke peace together and pray for everybody's well-being. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu,
Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet, Asato Ma Satgamaya,
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate